meet Chico here at the North Central LA City Shelter. His ID number is A102-5376. Chico is a 5-year-old male, adorable, white with like fawn spots, pitty. He was an owner surrender who came to the shelter on August 10th, and this sweet guy weighs 68 pounds. He's super cute. He's got a little bit of a skin thing on his ear, but it's healing. He is so sweet. He seems good with the other dogs. He met 2 other dogs out here, and walks well on a leash. He's gentle. He's just a calm, sweet boy. He seems house trained. We love this guy. There's nothing wrong with him. He's a perfect age as a 5-year-old adult. So this is Chico at the North Central LA City Shelter. Again, his ID number is A102. Aww, going in for pets, 5376. You can see these adorable fawn spots he's got all over.
Say hi, Chico.
Hi, Chico. Hi, Chico.